I have more people with me. Had the luxury from Melissa. She's gonna show me her baby. It's called Bubba. All right. So 3, 2, 1. Bam. Melissa, come with me. Dana's door is kind of heavy. I actually didn't even notice that. Hold on. That must be really safe. Did they tell you about that?
No. Got it because it was fast.
Because it was fast?
Yeah.
All right, let me sit in this. So you got these. Are these like weatherproof things or just like a skin thing?
It was just because it was there.
Yeah. All right, this is good. Wait, it has an SD card?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look, this
Yeah,
is when
yeah.
we got to drive it on the beach. That was when
Oh,
we
that's
first
beautiful.
got it.
I'm just gonna show. I probably won't.
But
put it
he
on,
completely, the front is all matte black now.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, the grill.
Dang, no, that's nice. Wait, did you ever rip off the doors?
Yes,
Like in the, like when he was riding on the sand?
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
But I feel like a bunch of sand just like went in the car, right?
Yeah, 100%. But that's the fun because we would go down to the beach for Jeep Week, and because you know Jeep Week.
No.
So there's this huge parade.
Is it in
Ocean City? There's a huge parade for Jeeps.
Oh, it is?
And you go to the convention center, everyone has their stuff lined up. It's hot as shit. Everyone's like flexing. And
Yeah.
they do a parade on the beach, rock climbing, mudding. It's so much fun. That's the best time.
I had no idea about that. I gotta go.
You gotta get
I gotta go now. All right, hop in here. Hop in the other side so you can give me like a little tour. Look at all these buttons here. I don't really know what this is. This is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie to you. This door is really secure. Oh, you have a gas button right here?
Yeah, that's to open my gas tank.
Oh, that's nice. All these buttons, wow, they're kind of fancy. I'm about to turn this AC because I am hot.
That's why we're turning
Also,
it on.
thank you so much for letting me do this.
No, thank you.
What is this again? This is 2017
Jeep Cherokee.
Jeep Cherokee Sport. It has the parking brake thingy.
Yes.
So wait, this is like when, because I've seen this in one car.
So
Where like, yeah.
It's literally just instead of pushing down on a pedal or pulling up on a stick, you just push a button.
Oh, that's it? Do you do it every time?
No, put your foot on the brake.
Oh, so you gotta put your foot in the
Yeah. No, I rarely use it unless I'm on a hill.
That makes sense. Actually, what is this? Is this just
That is because I have dogs. So then there's a bottom part that clips up here because we'll take them out.
a bottom, what do you mean a bottom part?
Like for the cover, there's a, so it clips on.
Oh, like how it
over
clips
here.
like
Yes.
back there?
Yeah, so it can clip up here.
You're probably not gonna be able to see that. I don't really want to go
No,
back
it's
there.
so dark.
And it's so tinted at nighttime, I can't see shit out the back.
Yeah.
Yes. Sunglass holder.
Oh, this is tough. What are
Right?
these?
Right?
I like those.
Thanks.
And then you have these, obviously.
Yeah,
oh, I don't
but
know
the
if I
doors
should-
are open, so.
Oh, I see this. So I'm really just like
You're
going through
good.
your stuff.
This is my collection that everybody leaves in my car.
Okay. Do you know what this is? Kind of looks like a speaker, but.
I think so. The bass was great in this car.
Really?
Yes, amazing. And then
Oh, wow.
we've got our cross with us at all times.
Of course, I love that.
We've got Ed the bear.
Ed?
I love bears. I have a bear obsession.
Really?
And then we got my grandma with me all the time.
Shout out Grandma Eileen if
Shout
you
out
see
Grandma.
this.
She won't see this, but it's okay.
Well, yeah.
You got a nice hair tie holder right there.
Hair tie holder. This is like, this makes me feel like powerful when I grip this.
Oh yeah.
You know what I
Do you
mean?
want one of these for helping me?
Put
I
something
put
on
it.
it.
I put mine right there.
That's kind of smart.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so smart. Guys, if you're watching this, put this here, not here. Can I open this?
Yeah. Do what you gotta do.
This looks pretty big. We got some
Girly things.
girly things.
We got our wipes.
You clean you like cars.
Yeah.
You like, I mean,
Yeah.
I can
me
tell
and
like
my
you just
friends,
keep
we go to
cleaning.
car meets.
Really?
Yeah.
What
Then
the
you
heck?
got the little part up here.
Little part?
Which keep the mask.
Keep like
easy
5-10
pass.
masks here, you know what I mean?
Oh, and then we've got signed cards. That's part of a player's jersey in there.
Oh, wow.
This shit's pretty sick. Oh, and then we also in here you have another USB
Another
for charging.
USB. You know, you're actually the first person I've ever seen to actually use these coin things.
I don't really use them. I was cleaning it yesterday.
Oh. Can this fit in here?
Maybe.
Maybe if like,
If my stuff wasn't in the way.
that's actually pretty, that's
Yeah,
deep.
it's deep.
Let me just step out real
So I
quick.
gotta take the cover.
Oh, sorry. So we just did our oil change. Hopefully everything's good, no leaks. No, I don't think so.
You know, we love Bubba.
We do love Bubba. All right, let's close this door. Let's look at the outside because I really do like the outside. Oh, so she actually taught me one. Hold on, let's step away so it's kind of loud.
Yeah.
So I didn't know the whole thing, but apparently there's 7. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she's the only other like Jeep person that I know, and she said like, oh yeah, there's 7, what do you call it, grill things?
I don't even know what they call it. I just say 7 things on the grill, but
Yeah.
you can tell them more.
Oh no, you tell them. I mean, you told me.
It's because this was the first car to be on all 7 continents. Because this was a military car first.
Yeah.
It's tough.
It is tough. All right, hold on. So this is the back. Oh, is this the, do you know if you, I always see this on cars. Isn't this like the like it'll notify you if you're too close or no?
No.
No?
No, I don't have any sensors.
Okay.
Like,
fine.
it didn't get a
2017.
lot of like the technical things with it. but-
Yeah. I mean, I like it. Seriously, I've driven, oh, that's weird. It doesn't have like it doesn't say Cherokee on it.
Mm,
They might have removed it, or I don't know.
maybe.
But I really do. Do you know what color this is? Just like,
Charcoal, right on the
oh, there it
front.
is. There it is. Cherokee.
I am the first one at like leaving the red light. I will tell you.
You really?
Yeah.
You be gunning it?
I don't know if I want to get him wrapped or just save up for a Wrangler and wrap that.
Oh, save up for Wrangler.
Yeah.
You already know what I'm gonna say. We didn't even see the trunk. I'm tripping.
He didn't. You know, more girly things. I keep him
Okay.
okay. because I have little sisters and I work
Yeah.
at preschool. Oh my god. Oh, I know that. I know that.
Yeah.
You heard the fear in my
I
voice.
work at a preschool. Oh, it has an extra.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I have my toolbox and I also have.
So did that toolbox come with it? Or?
No, that's mine.
That's
My
yours.
grandpa gave that to me. And
That's
then
so
whatever
nice.
this is.
Oh, it's another
Yeah.
charging thingy.
Yeah. it's gonna
Wait, what is this? Is this sorry.
You're good. But then I also.
Oh, this is just.
This is what I mean. How like the hooks for the bags, they have the Jeep on it.
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh, I don't know if you can see that.
But then also, I have a flag from 9/11 with everybody's names on it.
Oh wow.
We care up in this. We care.
Wow. Oh, let me actually like put that in there so we can put this.
Yeah. What is in there?
I don't know.
Oh, those are my other hooks.
Oh, how many hooks do you have?
I don't know. You just touched them all.
And there's 2. There's one on each side.
Sort of.
No, this one. This is what I mean.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What is this?
I guess just another hook.
Yeah.
And then honestly, I don't know why this is here.
Also, this is actually good. I'm glad you have this. How big is this longboard? For like, I don't know, if people longboard, seeing how, because this can fit lengthwise or
Yeah. Well, hold on. So I'm 5'6",
5'6".
and it goes up to my belly button.
All right, so cut her in half, put like half a body in there. All right, I'm ready to drive. So we're gonna stop. First of all, we just did an oil change. So it's really smooth. All right, guys, let's feel this. Watch this Jeep wave.
No, you can't. It hurts more. Stop!
So we can confirm that the other Wrangler did not wave back. I really just want to ask you 2 questions. First thing, what's the one thing that you love about your Cherokee?
I love him to his fullest. I accept him for his flaws.
Yes.
But I mean, I don't know. It's really just like I know it's not like the fast car, but like I still think it's fast.
Okay, so then what's one thing that you don't like about it?
It's not a Wrangler.
It's not a Wrangler. I mean, it drives well. I'm trying to see how it does with the turns.
It feels like speed.
Yeah. It's like not struggling at all. Well, that's the whole thing with like we just did an oil change,
Yeah.
but it's not struggling with like changing gears. I don't know if you can tell that though.